Everyone has that thing they look up to, they want to become. But say if you don't know, if you don't panic, I can help you get it. But most importantly, you should do what you want. Hi, I'm Otto. I'm on a journey to achieve my dreams while learning what it takes to get there and building myself in the process. So I'll be ready for the hits, the comes, whatever comes my way. And also, sorry if this video seems like weird or stuff. I'm not used to scripted video. I like stuff in my mind like freely out. So here we go. First, what are your dreams? Dreams are like those things that give you spark anything of them. Like mine is game there. Like anytime I just think of it, I'm like, on that I want to do that stuff. Since that once you just remember about that, it's more like you just like push forward and stuff like this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. But still, if you don't know it and you can't figure that's how do is I should try stuff. Like me, I did a lot of stuff. Did a lot of stuff, computer, I've done a lot of stuff, YouTube, this, that. Though I'm still doing YouTube now, it's not, I love YouTube, but my real stuff is game dev. So it's true a lot of try. I tried programming, I tried this, tried graphic design, even though some normal like labor tailoring. So you know that thing is mostly popular in Nigeria where you just go and research and learn tailoring and stuff. So I tried it to just try it of stuff in different distance till you find the one that just like you choose like oh I love this stuff. That's when you know you have a dream. What you want to become. Just like things that you look up to and stuff like that. It took me a long time researching but it was what you can find everything. So the number one step to achieving your dreams and goals, the number one step is to take action. Yeah. But taking action also involves building self-discipline. That's the thing I've been like learning by myself. It isn't that hard, but it's more like you don't you know there's in Nigerian churches more like all these Nigerian stuff, but it's supposed to apply. You'll be telling something about spirits, your body and stuff. There's you are your mind, like you are yourself, you are your mind, and there is your body. Your body is more like the way your body reacts, your brain reacts. You need to learn how to control. So that is like building self-discipline. Know that this is what I want in my future. Okay, this is how I'll make my body move. You can't move it more than this or less than this. You know what I'm saying? So you just have to, number one, take action. So number one, the normal thing that is like there is that once you like know your dream and goal, you have that drive or motivation to start. That's the number one thing. You just that drive, you know that woo, just get that motivation, you start. But that motivation is not always there. It's like deplete after some time and stuff like that. So what you need to like achieve that goal is commitment, discipline, or habits. Like commitment, you can also refer to it as habit or systems that you create in your life. I mean, I have systems in my life that every day I'm supposed to do this, I'm supposed to do that. No, Saturdays I do this and do that. I also have time for fun. You need to plan all those stuff. Don't say because you want to achieve your dreams, you waste the hell out of it. I know your friend was telling me something about that. Yeah, this and that. To achieve your dreams, you have to like use up your teenage years. You don't have to. Just plan the shit out. Don't just waste your time off. Like me, I have my fun too sometimes. I love having fun. But still, you have to like still be in the process and stuff. Don't just because you want to achieve your dreams, you go focus on what I'm saying. You need to plan stuff out. Like I was saying, don't stress out. You plan your fun time, your work time. That's the time you work toward your goals. The time you have your fun, and most importantly, your rest. Rest is very very important. Without rest, you need rest time. Rest keeps you up. And I'll make a video about it. I'll make more videos on all this stuff I'm talking about. I'll make more videos about it. If you want to keep updated, just subscribe. Also press that button. Subscribe to keep updated. And also, if you like all this, the English and interpreting, if you like the English and interpreting, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. So, the number one thing you should know is that if you fail, I failed a lot of times. I failed in different things I've done. Even though like my main dream, I started in some sort of way where I kind of failed, but not really failed because I've not really like gone through in the way I'm supposed to go. But one thing you should know that achieving your dreams isn't something that will just happen. That it will be a smooth journey. It will always be bumpy. There's nothing that is easy. Like you just have to. Don't. I know some people be saying that they wish it to be easy. You shouldn't be wishing for it to be easy. You should be wishing that you have more skills to like handle and deal with it, not for it to be easy. If it's easy, I don't know how best to do it because I'm not a like professional in this stuff. But you get what I'm saying. You should wish for more skills, have it more valuable and stuff. Better how to handle stuff than for you to just take action, learn things you need to do. Be prepared for stuff. Remember what they used to say in school? If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. It's for real. If you fail to prepare for your life and plan and take action and do stuff, you're preparing to fail, whether you like it or not. So that's what you need to do. To fall 7 times, get up 8. Sorry if I'm like looking up and down because I'm looking at the script. I'm not doing the script stuff. So it's better you start now and keep on. So that you can face all the fates. You know what is up for you. The world is like shit there, like The way stuff is outside, all these bosses and people have worked like this is my ninth where I'm currently working as like my ninth job, and I don't like it. Like there's no job I've worked at. Like I've already figured it out that this is not the support to be doing in my life in the future. You know, it's just fucked up and stuff. So just need to do. I face them time, you know what, the more equipped, just as I was saying, you fall 7 times, you get up 8. So that is all. Keep on. But I'll be making more videos. I'm sorry if this video is like low quality and stuff. I'm not the YouTuber, I'm a YouTuber, but please pardon, bear with me. My next video is going to be beautiful.